Glam Bag Plus. Back in 2018. Smashbox eye palettes, Tarte mascara, Estee Lauder, Lancome 111 Skin. May 2019. Il Maquillage, Go To, Illamasqua, and a 6-shade Wander palette that has 4 glitters. What is wrong with this picture? Let's talk about it. Hey, it's me, Kara from Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget. And today I'm going to do a review of the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for May 2019. Now this was my first Glam Bag Plus. I've been receiving the Glam Bag and I was not on the wait list for the Glam Bag Plus, but I got the email sometime in April telling me that the wait list for the Glam Bag Plus was no longer a thing, and if I wanted in on the Glam Bag Plus, I could just click the button and upgrade my account, and that's exactly what I did. Before signing up for Glam Bag Plus, I had watched a bunch of reviews and unboxings on YouTube, and I would see a lot of name brand products. I'd see Estee Lauder and Lancome and full-size Murad products, skincare brands like 111 Skin that are insanely expensive. I saw Tarte palettes, so I thought that that is what I would be getting in my Glam Bag Plus until my Glam Bag Plus arrived on Friday, and I opened it and I was completely underwhelmed. And I've sat on it for several days because I figured if I made a video on it, it was just going to be all negative. So here is me doing this video, and I tried to not do a negative video. Now, I tried to not do a negative video because I said, when I first opened this box, I saw these name brands that some of which I did not even recognize. So I guess we could do like the official unboxing right now. And then we'll talk about my thoughts. Okay, so Il Maquillage mascara. Not a brand I was familiar with. In the October box, it was a Tarte mascara. And then this is Go To Face Hero Oil, which I'd never heard of. It did not compare to the Murad full-size skincare products that I saw in the previous unboxings. And then I got 2 Illamasqua lip pencils. And these are supposed to be like $21 each, so that means that these are allegedly, so these are worth $42, and I mean, what would you rather have? $42 of 2 lip pencils, or like a Tarte small palette that costs under $40? That's what I was thinking. Getting lip liners just doesn't excite me in a box. Also in the box was 3 Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Deep Cleanse Masks. Now, I'm sure there's a bunch of people that would love to have these, and I'm not going to hold it against Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, but these just aren't for me because they're deep cleanse, and I don't feel that I need deep cleansing. I feel that my daily cleansing is fine, and I also do exfoliation, so I just know that I won't use these, and I'll have to pass them along. But that's personal preference, and Glam Glow is a name brand that we're all familiar with. So they have that going for them. So far, out of those 4 items, 1 is a brand that I recognize. So I'd previously seen everything in the box because I had gone onto the Ipsy site on the 2nd of the month, and in order to buy the add-on additional products in the add-on room, is that what they call it? You have to preview your box first. So I looked at my box then, the 5 items, and I was completely underwhelmed. I think I might have said that I hated it, but again, I tried to keep an open mind. So then the box arrives, and when I open it, it's completely lackluster for me. There's no one standout. There's no one exciting product. There's not even one interesting product in here for me. So I knew that when I got the box, and so for a few days I've put off doing this review unboxing, and then today I decided, well, why don't I give everything a fair shot and try it all, because there may be some hidden gems in here, okay? So maybe I'm just being negative. Why don't I do this unboxing a little bit differently, try everything first, and then come on and do the video. And that's exactly what I did. So because I can be shaky with my mascara and a little bit wonky with my eye brushes, I just used the products before I came on today. So let's take a look in particular at how this eyeshadow palette and this mascara did. You can also check out what this lip pencil did. So here we are, and first I just want to say that these colors for lip pencils, I'm not impressed. I mean, this fuchsia color is just not what I'm into right now. It would have been better. I know that Illamasqua does have lip kits where they have the pencil and the lipstick, just like a Kylie Jenner kit. And I think that a Illamasqua kit would have been far more practical than to just give us 2 lip liners, and 2 lip liners where the colors look like this. I mean, very, very similar. The colors are so similar. I mean, not a nude and a rose, not a coral and a pink. We have basically a fuchsia and a light fuchsia, if that makes any sense. These lip pencils, I will not use these at all. So let's talk about the shadows. I swatched them about 10 minutes ago, and I was going to change out of this shirt, but then I decided to just go on air and show you guys what these shadows look like, not when you just watch them, but 10 minutes later, and this is it. Now, I did not use the blue, and this is the only non-glittery color it's the only color that you could use as a transition shade. And then we have the 4 shades here that I've seen some YouTubers refer to as shimmers. 1, 2, 3, and 4 right down here. But these are glitters. But these are glitters similar to the glitters that we had in the Pure Festival palette from BoxyCharm. And trying to pick up the glitters on a brush was next to impossible. So I used my finger to pick it up and to put it on the outside of the lid. I used the pinky shade, which was the sea salt, right here on the outside, and on the inside I used Champagne Harbor, which is right here. Now they are pretty enough, but I don't know if you can see all the fallout from the glitter underneath the eyes. So if you use a brush, you will get practically no product on your eyelid, except for this one that's not glittery. This one goes on fine. But the glitters, if you put it on with a brush, you don't get enough hold on it, and if you use your finger, you'll see it on your eye, but you'll also see it right down here. Did not like that. And then the Il Maquillage, I would say that this does a good job with lengthening. And I have terrible short, skinny lashes. I think that this does a good job lengthening, but not a good job thickening whatsoever. On this eye, I used L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Primer first because I saw that this was giving me very long, skinny lashes that weren't thick enough. I used the Voluminous Lash Primer, and it looks a little better. But again, this took 1 coat of lash primer, 2 coats of this. This I took 2 coats of this. I would say that this isn't really practical because most people don't want to be spending time putting on 3 coats of something onto their eyelids. I mean, they want to use, for example, a Better Than Sex mascara where 1 coat can do really great for you, and that's it. So the last product that we can talk about is the Go-To Face Hero, and I think there's a lot of nut oils in this. And I first tried it a couple of days ago. I put it on the back of my hand and I actually felt discomfort. I felt a mild stinging, so I removed it. And then I tried it again a day later. I think I felt the stinging because I had used an exfoliant on the back of my hand like pretty soon before that. So I tried it a second time. I did not feel the stinging, but the scent was unpleasant. Florally, and I checked the ingredients, and the ingredients list orange blossom and rose gardenia. So, and when I smell this, when I use this, all I can smell is the rose scent. I find it too florally. I did not find that it absorbed well. This is not a product for me. The scent itself is enough to just make this a no-go as opposed to a go-to. No-go, go-to. So it's really lousy to have to film a review about a box where, especially when you've tried everything, that you just have like a negative opinion about everything. I can't say that I would use this again, but it's not the greatest. It's just lengthening, it's not thickening. Now perhaps if you're a person with thick lashes but not length, this might be great for you. But if you do need both lengthening and thickening, this really doesn't seem to be the one for it. So my overall opinion is that this box is just lackluster. For a few days, I was just thinking, God, what's my final opinion on this box? And I think the opinion was that I didn't hate it, but I didn't love it. And, you know, I just don't want to say that it's okay because I'm not looking for okay when I'm buying a subscription box. I mean, I'm looking for at least one item in there that's going to be interesting, that's going to catch my eye, that I'm going to like, that it's just going to make me excited, because that's why we get the subscription boxes, right? Because we don't know all of the products in it, and it's a little bit of excitement. Well, there's just no excitement in this box at all, and it really bums me out. So the Glam Bag Plus has only been in existence since October. So they've had about 7 boxes by now, and I look at all of the previous items and they just don't compare to what's in this box. Some of the previous items. In the October 2018 box, Smashbox Eye Palette, Tarte Mascara. In the December box was Estee Lauder, Lancome, 111 Skin. There's also been IT Cosmetic brushes, the really thick ones that are like $48, and they're for your foundation. I think they're called Heavenly Skin. I'm going to link a couple of videos down below, and you can see what I'm talking about. I think that the boxes previously in this box are not sisters, and they're certainly not twins, but they're not sisters. And they may not even be cousins. They may be like 4th cousins twice removed. It's like night and day. The previous boxes seem to be brand heavy, seem to be more exciting. This current box seems to be lackluster. I think that the makeup that I'm wearing does not look good. I would not walk out of the house with this. I know what you're gonna say. You're gonna say, but it matches your shirt. I do like this color in shirts, but no, I do not like this color as a lip liner. And the product did say that you could line your lips and fill in your lips with it, because I read the instructions this time. But when I filled my lips in with this pencil, because it's called a coloring pencil, not just a lip liner, when I fill my lips in, it doesn't feel nice. It feels waxy and dry. So will I use that again, or a similar Illamasqua pencil to fill in my lips? The answer is no. This is not comfortable. I don't think it looks good formula wise, and this color is just not it. The eyeshadow is so pale on me. I don't know if maybe people with other skin tones, maybe medium or dark, are having any luck with these light shades, but I'm fair, and I feel that 3 of those glitters don't even show up on my skin really. And furthermore, there's only 1 matte shade in the palette, 1 transition shade. The palette itself, you can't really give you a full look. I don't really like palettes like that, and it's not one that will really stay in my collection. But as for the look that it gives me, I don't like it. I don't like this lipstick. I think it's bad. I would not go out of the house looking like this, and that's the opposite effect that we look for when we're applying makeup. We don't want to feel that we look worse. We want to feel that we look better. Stating the obvious. I'll put that right under here. Sorry guys for being so negative, but I did my best in that I used all the products. Well, I didn't use this one because I didn't think it would be right for my skin. I used all the products before I came here to talk about my opinions. And I think that's the best that I can do as for giving you my opinion and giving the products a fair shot. So that's all. I'm going to be getting the June Glam Bag Plus, and I'm hoping that there's a Sunday Riley skincare product in it. I've seen that in one of the sneak peeks. I'm hoping that's true. And depending on next month's Glam Bag Plus, will determine whether or not I continue getting the Glam Bag Plus in the future. So thanks for watching, and bless you all for listening to this horribly negative diatribe. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you guys really soon. Okay, bye.